Dr. Meghavi, I'll request you to unmute yourself.
Yes, thank you so much, Pooja, for being here and inviting me for this beautiful platform where this kind of lovely people are joining in, and I can spread my knowledge and whatever I learn in my life through my life. Yeah, so many things we are also learn through our life, our emotions, our darkness, our experiences. So yeah, today I'm here to spread all the knowledge which I have about the womb healing. So let's we begin with the screen sharing.
Yes, I've given you the rights.
Yeah, yeah, yes, I have. Yes. So every human being on the earth started their life inside a womb. So womb healing is a universal. जैसे कि हम सभी को पता है कि हमारी जर्नी ही यहाँ की अर्थ पे, या हम समझते हैं जहां तक हमारा यूनिवर्स अर्थ से हम जो कनेक्टिंग फील करते हैं वो हमारी जर्नी ही वुम्ब से स्टार्ट हुई है। बट हम जितना समझते हैं कि मदर वुम्ब से स्टार्ट हुई है, वो भी हमारा कहीं ना कहीं हाफ नॉलेज है, तो हम उससे भी आज डीप जानेंगे। वी ऑल्सो नो अबाउट दैट वी आवर जर्नी इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द फ्रॉम अवर मदर वूम, बट उससे पहले ही ये जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गई होती है हमारी। सो वो आज हम नेक्स्ट फ्यू स्लाइड में समझेंगे। So welcome everyone. Today we are entering a very sacred space, that is the womb space. This is the place where your life began, where your first emotion were formed, and where your soul took human shape. Today's session will help you understand why womb healing matter, and you will also experience a gentle healing process, as Pooja already told you about that I will give you that beautiful I will let you in that beautiful meditations with that space of womb healing. So, womb healing is not only about our biological womb. It's not about only for the female who have a space of uterus and ovaries and the fallopian tube, and that is we called as a only womb. No, वूम सिर्फ बायोलॉजिकल वूम नहीं है जो फीमेल्स में होता है, जहां पे यूट्रस, ओवरीज एंड फेलोपियन ट्यूब्स गिनी जाती है। नहीं, womb is space where for female as well as for male also the energetical womb is there. So it's not about healing the physical or biological womb, but it is about healing the energetic womb space, the place where we hold all the emotions, all the traumas, all the generational patterns, creativity, and inner safety. So, as I said, that both man and woman carry this energetic womb imprinting in their body, which we also called as a sacral chakra, which connected with the womb imprinting. Man carries it in their sacral chakra, इमोशनल बॉडी एंड सेल्यूलर मेमोरी। ये तीन जगह पे मेंस ने जब पुरुष की बात आती है तो उन्होंने ये तीन जगह पे सैक्रल चक्र, उनकी इमोशनल बॉडी और सेल्यूलर मेमोरी में उन्होंने जो भी वुम स्पेस है वो क्रिएट होती है, और उनका जो भी ट्रॉमा है वो वहां पे उन्होंने, या जो भी इम्प्रिंटिंग है वो वहां पे उनकी स्टोर होती है। व्हेन दिस स्पेस इज हील्ड, both the gender experience emotional release, clarity, confidence, and freedom. So let me understand how we hold all the memories on our in our womb or in our sacral space. हम कैसे ये होल्ड करते हैं, तो इसे हम तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द जनरेशनल मैट्रिक्स। तो यू कैन एबल टू सी दिस पिक्चर ब्यूटिफुली, आई होप। सॉरी, I hope this picture is completely visible to each and everyone. So when your mother was inside her mother, yani your nani, your grandmother, you were already a tiny ovum inside her developing womb. So you, your mother, and your grandmother shared the same womb space. So till that, yani you are not carrying only the till 9 month mother trauma, but you are carrying the trauma since your mother is into the your grandmother's womb, and with that cell you are carrying all the in the cellular memory, all the generational pattern which we called as a matrix. So all the fears, beliefs, emotional patterns travels generationally, not by choice but by biological space. I hope this is completely understood for everyone. जब हम अपनी मम्मी के सॉरी जब हमारी मदर उनकी मदर के वोम स्पेस में होते हैं, तब मदर की ओवरीज में एक छोटा टाइनी ओवम के रूप में हम वहां पे होते हैं, एक सेल के रूप में। और हम सभी को पता है वही सेल से हम धीरे 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 एक ओव्यूलेशन के बाद हमारा एक बॉडी फॉर्म होता है 9 मंथ में। एवरीवन इज अग्री विथ मी? सो हम कैसे जनरेशनल पैटर्न्स को अभी तक वो मैट्रिक्स को हम कैसे कैरी कर रहे हैं, तो हम ऐसे कैरी कर रहे हैं। तो वो सेल से हम पूरा आगे वो पैटर्न को कैरी कर रहे हैं हमारी स्पेस में। देन द नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट जहां से हमारी वूम स्पेस में इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग क्रिएट होना स्टार्ट होती है। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप विच आई टोल्ड यू, द 3 पार्ट्स आई डिवाइडेड इट। देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज साइंस ऑफ कंसेप्शन। ईच वन ऑफ अस इज born फ्रॉम both mother's and father's cell. The ovum carries the mother's memory and the sperm carries the father's memory. And when they merge and create the ovulation, a new a new being begins and carries both lineage, both story. So we again that is the second part. First तो हमने generational matrix से लिया हुआ है। सेकेंड जो हमारे मम्मा का सेल है, पापा का सेल है, वो जब ओव्यूलेशन क्रिएट करता है, एक ओवम बनता है, उसके बाद उसमें से मल्टीप्लाई होके हमारा एक बॉडी बनता है। तो वहां से भी हमने काफी इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग कैरी की हुई है वो सेल की जो सेल्यूलर मेमोरी में रहेगी। एंड इफ यू विश टू नो अबाउट मोर अबाउट द सेल्यूलर मेमोरी, then you can read the book of Biology of Beliefs by Bruce Lipton. This is very beautiful book जिसमें आपको बहुत ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है कि हमारा जो भी ट्रॉमा है वो हमारे ब्रेन में नहीं है, हमारे डीएनए में नहीं है, हमारे सेल्यूलर मेमोरी में है। So this is beautiful space, and already also we teach all this concept in our workshop as well as deeply. Then the third aspect is 9 month in the womb. We are already carrying all this emotional imprinting, whatever our mother's emotion, mother's environment, mother's heartbeat, mother's fear, mother's joy, mother's expectations, mother's love, mother's freedom, everything. This becomes our first emotional luggage before mind, before words. This is pure cellular memory. So with this 3 part, we are actually, before born, we have lot of memory inside the cells. Yes, in our cellular memory. I hope everyone is agree with me. All these 3 aspects. So that's why we nowadays you can see the garbha sanskaris people are doing during the pregnancy. I hope everyone is aware of about the garbha sanskar. Yes, और वहीं से, और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी का रिचुअल है। गर्भ संस्कार हमारे वेदों में, हमारे आयुर्वेद में भी उतना ही बताया गया है। और उसके पीछे का कहीं ना कहीं लॉजिक यही है कि जो सेल्यूलर मेमोरी उन्होंने जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा, जनरेशनल मैट्रिक्स में, या उसके बाद मम्मी पापा के ओवम में सॉरी उनके बीज में थी, वो कहीं ना कहीं 9 मंथ के गर्भ संस्कार में हम ब्रेक कर सकें। सी तो आफ्टर इमीडिएट कम द लाइफ, जब अर्थ में बॉर्न होगी तो उसकी स्पेस में बहुत सारी ईज क्रिएट होगी। Yes, I'm ideally more I'm talking in English only. I'm just explaining whatever I'm talking in English because so many people are telling the Pooja ji, please tell her to say into the Hindi also because my already slides are also in the English. So that's why I'm just repeating some things in the Hindi as well as for the few peoples. बायोलॉजी ऑफ बिलीफ बाय ब्रूस लिप्टन. किसी ने बुक का नाम लिखा हुआ है चैट में. यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट चैट. या थैंक यू सो मच राजेश्वरी जी फॉर आस्किंग. सो आई होप टिल दिस एवरीवन इज बी विथ मी. Yes, because this is the main aspect, and we have to understand that because once we acknowledge that, then we are able to understand all the concept about the womb healing. And the one more thing, how the DNA imprinting it's created by the second aspect. Once the mother DNA and the father DNA merge, then we are creating our own DNA pattern, which is coming from the mother and father's pattern. Yeah, so that's why we are used to say na hereditary. Yeah, mere mummy pop, my mother has a diabetes, so that's why maybe I had, or sorry, maybe I have. So this is the space where we also break the myths about the hereditary because this is not the hereditary. This is about the epigenetics, and we learn about this epigenetics and the difference between the hereditary and epigenetics in our workshop deeply. But definitely, this is the pattern we have to understand, which are we are carrying from the, sorry, before the birth. Okay, now before I move ahead, let me ask one thing. After immediate born, what is the first fear? Maybe she already shared into the message also, I think. But still, I am asking, what is the first fear we are carrying in after immediate birth? Anyone has answer here, reply here, then you just chat. Put into the chat. Yes. Yes, Sasikala ji. Amazing. This is the first fear we create after immediate birth. That is the separation. Because from the grandmother womb, we are completely attached with the mother with the tiny ovum, and then entire 9 month we are with the space of, with the love of, with the beautiful environment of the mother, and after that we have a beautiful immediate separation that may be not adopted by everyone, so it's create a fear of separation. Let's we move ahead. So this imprinting, which we are carrying, maybe the generational, maybe through the mother father sperm and ovum, and maybe through the 9 month with our mother's womb, we create imprinting which settle into the baby's nervous system, or maybe heart chakra, or maybe womb and sacral space, or maybe the subconscious mind. And now, while we heal the womb, so the womb becomes our first school of emotional imprinting. When we heal the womb space, we heal our earliest memory of love and safety. तो जब हम अपनी वोम स्पेस को हील करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम पहले ही कड़ी को तोड़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं, जिससे उसके पीछे का जो भी रेसिड्यूअल है, जो टिल टुडे हमने कैरी किया हुआ है, वो हम रिलीज कर रहे हैं. The first wound is the separation. The first emotional wound for every human is separation from the mother's womb, separation from unconditional safety, and separation from pure love. Healing means returning to the safety inside yourself. This is a very much in that space. I can say after almost I did for myself, I did a 3 months womb healing. and it's allow me to release a one very deep rooted fear which I had in the past, that fear of being alone. And that is the space I created now with me. Like I'm now very much comfortable with my own company as well as. So this is, I can say, the womb healing. Once you start dedicatedly heal your womb, now it will create a lot of shift in your universe. It will create a lot of clarity as well as in your space. So we carry unprocessed trauma from generational patterns like fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, shame, money blocks, relationship wounds, anger. Most of the time, money blocks and relationship wounds we are carrying from the generational, and most of the time from the DNA pattern, which I told about the sperm and ovum. Anger, mother wound, father wound. Womb healing dissolve this inherent pattern and create a lot of clarity, awareness, wisdom, and space in your life. As we know that our subconscious was formed inside the womb, and 90% of who we are today comes from the first 7 years and the 9 month begins inside the womb. जैसे कि हम सभी को पता है कि हमारे सबकॉन्शियस में जो हमने 0 to से यानी मदर वूम से लेके 7 year की एज तक जो भी हमने देखा, जो भी एक्सपीरियंस किया, उसके बाद हमने जो भी इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग बनाई, यानी हमने उस दौरान जो भी बिलीफ बनाए, हमने जो भी डिसीजंस लिए, वो हमारी इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग बनी। एंड वो इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग से आज हम नोइंगली अननोइंगली बिहेव कर रहे हैं। आई होप एवरीवन इज अग्री विथ मी। और इवन दो जिन्होंने मेरे साथ पास्ट कुछ ऐसे वर्कशॉप किए हैं जहां पे मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस भी समझाया हुआ है कि कैसे हमारी बॉडी इमीडिएटली वो बिहेव करती है, इवन दो एडल्ट पर्सनालिटी नोज एवरीथिंग, that we have to release the fear here, we have to speak out, we have to communicate, we have to connect, but knowingly unknowingly we are not able to because of that mother womb to 7 years experience. Yeah, so that is the main thing, because sometimes we are able to heal our till 1 to 7 years experience, but sometimes we are not connect with the mother womb trauma, जो हमने शायद मम्मी के वुम्ब के दौरान कुछ ऐसे ट्रॉमा हमने पकड़ के रखे। एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट, अगेन वन मोर मिथ्स आई जस्ट क्लियर हियर, इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट मम्मा इज completely fearful, then you are carrying the same trauma within you. You are experiencing that, and maybe you are creating that decision. Now I have to be blunt. ओके, मम्मा ने इतने साल कुछ नहीं बोला, उसके साथ क्या हुआ? लेट मी, जब मैं इस दुनिया में बाहर आऊंगी ना, मैं पूरी ब्लंट हो जाऊंगी, मैं जो भी है सीधा मुंह बोल दूंगी। Understood? I hope everyone is acknowledging that space. I can say that because I can see my son is completely opposite to me. Okay, so he is not like for the behavior, the confidence, the speak out, the communication, the very powerful lines he is speaking by birth only. Like जब से उसने बोलना सीखा है, तब से वो जो बोल रहा है ना, ना मेरे हस्बैंड के जैसा है उसका वोकैबुलरी, ना मेरे जैसा है, बिकॉज वी बोथ आर वेरी suppressive personality. We are not able to speak out mainly in front of our elders, and he is very clear and very confident in their in his communication. So that's why I'm just saying, and I can see a lot of this kind of space in lot of my inner child healing as well. As once they are doing inner child healing and they are releasing the trauma which they carry from the mother womb, and this is completely opposite. So it's not about that we are carrying the similar, but the experiences what we faced during that time, and at that time what emotional imprinting we are creating in our space, that is the space we are creating as a adult personality in the behavior as well as, and we are not aware of it. Sometimes we are into the space of very much luxurious house and everything, and so many times because of that money reality, your mother is facing lot of abuse, and then you decided and create some patterns and limiting beliefs around the money. Then right now you are struggling lot of space, and you are doing lot of things, but you are not able to create money in your life. Then you have to heal that trauma, which allow you to opens that block and create a different money reality for you. So it's all about this beautiful space. So yeah, if the womb space was stressful, unsafe, emotionally painful, lonely, and chaotic, that becomes our subconscious programming, and womb healing rewire it and create a beautiful possibilities in our life. So whatever the mother feels, the child cells absorb everything. The feels mother's emotions, hears mother's thought, absorb mother's belief system, even feels the father's behavior through the mother's emotional state. So that is the main space we have to understand in our universe. And once we heal our womb, we stop passing trauma to the next generation. When you heal, you break the cycle. Your healing becomes a blessing for your children. Even though your children is right now with you, you can see the difference in their behavior, in their entire space once you start healing your own womb healing imprinting or womb space. I can say I noticed a lot of shift in my kid who is a 14-year-old after my 3 months womb healing practice. Your future children, your inner child, and your entire lineage. So, to reclaim your creative and emotional power, a blocked sacral or womb space leads to lack of clarity, low motivation, emotional instability, fear of decision making, a lot of relationship struggles, sometimes money struggles. Healing brings flow and the freedom. So once you return with the original, authentic energy with womb healing, you feel lighter, peaceful, aligned, confident, more intuitive, more open to love, and emotionally strong. So, this is all about our womb space and why the womb healing is necessary. And once you start healing your womb, definitely each and every day you will notice small shift in your universe. So today we are going to do a small meditation. It's not about small like 10 minutes. It's around 15 to 20-minute meditation. You can practice this meditation as well as daily. And we are also doing a lot of or learning a lot of tools and techniques in our 3 days program. So day one, we are understanding again deeply the generational matrix. And again, deeply whatever we learned today about the wound of separation. Then day two, deeply we are understanding the DNA, cellular memory, how the hereditary patterns are formed, and what is the difference between hereditary and epigenetics, and what is the space we create a DNA and cellular memory with the hereditary pattern or the epigenetics, or how we can create the space of mimicking others, whoever around us. And the day three is all about the rebirth and reprogramming. In day three, we are learning a very different way womb healing, and you can do daily basis this womb healing meditation, which we learn into the day three, that is completely metaphoric extraction and cellular release. And this is the about the course highlight 8, 9, 10 December, 8 to 9:30. And as usual, the price are 888 rupees. And obviously, Pooja will share more about that, and then we do the beautiful, simple, but very powerful meditation. As many of you here may know me, that I am a shamanic healer, and in that shamanic healing, I am also the womb healer. So, in that space, today I am doing the meditation, and through whatever the energy I learned from in the shamanism, through that energy, I am today creating the space of womb healing and healing the space of womb, sacral chakra, and emotional imprinting in your space. But this is not only the one day job. So we are putting the intention in this meditation. So every time you listen this meditation, you will receive the same healing and creating a lot of space in your universe. So I hope everyone is agree with me. Yeah, and ready to do it. So it's not about, again, I am saying it's not about the one day job. Yeah, so you have to keep repeating this meditation in your space. And I love if you are joining this 3 days program. That 3 days program allow you to have a lot of tool in your hand, and with that tools and techniques you can more heal your womb. So I'm not saying that this meditation is not contributing to you. This meditation is also as well as contribute to you, but if you have a more tools and techniques, it will allow you to heal your space very gently and very speed way. Yeah, so yes, Poojaji, if you wish to share anything, then we start the meditation.
Yes, Dr. Meghavi, I think let's first do the meditation. Yeah,
Yes,
let's
later
do
on we
that.
share, na? Okay. Yeah. So everyone just drink one glass of water. As you know me, that every time I start meditation, I always say people that drink one glass of water. Why? The water is allow you to release whatever the emotional charge we are going to release through this meditation. One more thing, in shamanism, if you are open your videos and show me your energetic body, because it's not about your physical body, na? We are healing your energetic body. So if you are into that space, that is allowing me to connect more with all of you. So if possible, on your video. Yeah, don't worry. So if possible, you just make sure that you are into the comfortable space where no one is disturbing you, and just experience this entire healing. Notice in your body कि आपको क्या स्पेस डिफरेंस या कोई पेन है. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी पेन, इट्स completely okay, because whenever we are doing this kind of trance healing, because right now I am doing trance healing for all of you. So whenever we are doing this kind of healing through the shamanism, then there's so many emotional charge are releasing this during this meditation. सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जब इमोशनल चार्ज रिलीज होता है, तो जहां से वो रिलीज हो रहा है वहां पे काफी टाइम लोगों को पेन्स आते हैं. दैट कंप्लीटली ओके. एज वी ऑल आर नो ना दैट आफ्टर एंटायर 1 year, if we start doing yoga, that also create a pain in our body. Yes or no? Yes, even though normal stretch भी क्यों ना ले लिया हो, we have this pain. Yeah, so believe me, similarly, this is also your energy body yoga once we are doing this kind of meditation. So if there any pain, don't worry. After this meditation, you just drink water and just sleep. After sleep, early morning, there is no pain in your body. Okay. And second thing, if you feel cry, completely okay, drink more water. I hope simple, but still in between any discomfort happen in your space, just drop me the message. I will shower the white light on you, so it will allow you to balance that space. Okay, don't worry. I'm just requesting if possible. It's not compulsory. Still, if you are not able to on your video, you are receiving the healing. So don't worry. But if you are traveling, then just be that energy of receiving. Don't go into the deep meditation. Okay. So now I'm not speaking anything. You just listen the music and allow me to shower a beautiful healing on all of you. Okay, so I just start the music, and also we are not also using the womb healing music here. So very simple music we are utilizing here. So you will able to notice the shift with only the simple meditation. So music voice is perfect. Yeah. And just if you feel that very loud in your side, then just slow down the music from your side, okay? Because I'm not saying anything. You just focus on your body. So just relax, everyone, and just focus on your body. And let's allow all the contributing beings to contribute to you in this space. Let allow the symbol of Om create a beautiful space around you. Let allow this beautiful full moon energy Place your one hand on the heart, one hand on the sacral chakra, lower the abdomen, lower abdomen. Place your one hand on the heart, one hand on your lower abdomen, and just connect with all the emotional imprinting. And just say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I know till today you contribute to me a lot, creating a beautiful safety around me. But now, from today, we release all this pattern which are not allowing us to grow, which are not allowing us to create a new possibilities. And just be with me, with the flow and the freedom. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Dear body, I know you hold a lot of imprinting till today for my highest good. But now we release it to grow, to create new possibility in our life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I acknowledge you. I am with you. Listen to your heart. Your heart is whispering. And allow your heart to give you more awareness. Allow your angels, allow your guide to contribute to you in this space. Notice this shift in your body, the calmness, the ease, the lightness. Any heaviness, any pain in your body, allow your body to release it. Create ease in the space. All the hurt, all the unloved feeling, let give you the awareness and transmute into the ease. Let allow all the imprinting to create the awareness of learning and just transmute into the ease. Let imagine that we all are sitting in the circle and connected with the room space. And through the white light, we are releasing whatever not contributing to us in this beautiful room space circle. Let contribute to each other and create a collective consciousness. Allow the circle to create a beautiful infinite energy in our universe. The infinite possibilities, infinite joys, and beautiful magical reality. circle allows us to create a consciousness. Connect with the angels. And all the angels contribute to us in this circle. And with this touch of your hands, connect each and every cells of your body. And just repeat after me. I trust you. I am with you. We are good enough. We are capable enough. We are improving each and every day. We are evolving each and every day. Let's create more awareness in our universe. And let contribute to me to create more possibilities in my life. And in this circle, the beautiful white light showering on all of us. Receive this white light. This light is creating a beautiful magical energy around you. And this magical energy allows you to create the lightness, the calmness, and beautiful flow and freedom in our life and in our body. Be with this light for a while. Through this light, we all are receiving the beautiful moon energy. And the moon is the energy of emotional release. The moon is energy of intuition. The moon is the energy of awareness. And we are ready to breathe this energy. Now place both the hands on your heart chakra. Let me grateful all the contributing energies, all the angels, all the guides, all the five elements. Thank you, thank you. We all are grateful to entire circle and all the beautiful souls who created this circle and contributing to each other and creating collective consciousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. all are grateful to our own self. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And just hug your body and grateful towards your body. Thank you, body. Thank you, body. Thank you, body. And in the last, we all the grateful our father, mother, and entire ancestral lineage. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And whenever you feel ready, just rub your hands, place on your eyes, and slowly and gently just open your eyes and drink water. Share your experience. For that, you just raise your hand. That's completely, yeah. Smita ji, वो थोड़े टाइम के बाद settle हो जाएगा. That is the releasing. Maybe you are not able to communicate that confidently. So this is the releasing space.
Okay.
Great. Yeah, Pooja ji.
Yeah. So we will take the questions in a bit. I'll just make a quick announcement. So, Meghavi ji, you've told them when our course is starting, the dates. Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
8, 9, 10. Yeah.
8, 9, yes. So this journey, our course of womb healing and DNA healing, that is starting from 8th, 9th, and 10th. It will be these 3 days, and the timing will be same from 8 to 9:30. Sometimes it also extends a little bit because we want to answer everyone. We want to take everyone's questions. Yeah.
मुझे पूछना था कि डीएनए हीलिंग में हम एग्जैक्टली किस टाइप का हीलिंग, डीएनए का हीलिंग करेंगे या कोई अदर देन डीएनए, किस टाइप का एग्जैक्टली हीलिंग करेंगे?
Yeah, you're not unmuted, no? One second.
यस, थैंक यू सो मच. यस कंचन जी, हम पहले तो है ना डीएनए को समझेंगे, उसी से आपको डीएनए की हीलिंग की नॉलेज भी समझ में आएगी. फिर डीएनए हीलिंग आप कैसे कर सकते हो वो हम बताएंगे आपको. ठीक है. मेनली देखो, एक जैसे मैंने आज भी बताया है, दिस इज नॉट द वन डे जॉब. तो हम आपको काफी चीजें सिखाएंगे, वहां पे भी हम 3 दिन हीलिंग भी हम करेंगे जैसे हम आज किए हैं. बट डेफिनेटली आपको उसके बाद कंटिन्यूअसली करते रहना है जो भी आपको कनेक्ट होता है, जो भी टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स.
ओके
ओके कंचन जी. या
ओके,
बट
थैंक
पहले
यू.
तो हमें डीएनए का कॉन्सेप्ट ही डीपली समझना है. व्हाट इज एपिजेनेटिक्स, हाउ इट्स फॉर्म, व्हाट इज द हेरिडिटरी पैटर्न, हाउ वी क्रिएट द मिमिकिंग and everything. Once we understand, then we are able to heal that space. Yeah.
ओके,
Yeah, thank you dear. Yes.
थैंक यू.
Yeah. So before I take Geeta ji, I'm just sharing one thing. See, whenever we are doing any healing in the very big group, na, it will allow us to release a very beautiful way. तो जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि पेन्स होना नेचुरल है. सो डोंट वरी, उसको आप एकदम फियर बेस में नहीं लेके जाओ. आप थोड़ा डीप ब्रीथ इन ब्रीथ आउट करो और थोड़ा सा पानी धीरे धीरे पीते रहो. आपको लगता है तो आपके पैरों को जमीन पे टच करके ग्राउंडिंग करो, तो वो धीरे 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 रिलीज हो जाएगा. या यस गीता जी, अनम्यूट कीजिए. अच्छा, उनको अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Namaste, madam. Thank you for a
नमस्ते.
wonderful meditation session. I'm feeling very light and relaxed.
थैंक यू
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था कि जैसे कुछ जेनेटिक डिजीज होते हैं जैसे डाउन सिंड्रोम, ऑटिज्म, क्या वो सब इस डीएनए हीलिंग में वो सब क्या हम क्यूर कर सकते हैं?
देखो, क्योर तो हम ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी बोलूंगी कि क्योर कर सकते हैं. हाँ, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो स्पेस में हम ईज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, और ईज का एक पॉसिबिलिटी वो भी है कि वो क्योरिंग की साइड पे जा सकता है। ओके, बट हम 100% किसी को बोल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि इसके साथ बहुत सारी चीजें जुड़ी हुई होती है। यस, बट डेफिनेटली जब वो स्पेस को आप हील कर रहे हो, तो फ्यूचर जनरेशन को आप वहां से सेफ भी कर रहे हो। यस, तो वो भी एक स्पेस है ना, जो हम वो हीलिंग स्पेस से क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। तो मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी, कोई भी हीलिंग में हम जो भी चीज लेके जा रहे हैं, हीलिंग का महत्व क्या है, या हीलिंग का फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन है ईज क्रिएट करना। वो कोई भी स्पेस हो, या और वो ईज में एक ईज ऐसी भी हो कि वो रिजॉल्व ही हो जाए ट्रॉमा।
अच्छा।
यस, और आइदर ट्रॉमा के साथ भी आप ईज में हो। Yes, I hope you are agree with me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yes,
sir.
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Yes,
Thank
Deepak ji.
Deepak ji, you can unmute, and before you're asking the question, if you want, you can also share some feedback. Yeah. So if you want to also share some feedback on the class, then we'll be very happy to take your hand raise as well. हाँ Deepak ji, please you can unmute yourself.
अच्छा, ये
Yes.
जो आपने कहा वोम हीलिंग, तो इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग और वोम हीलिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है?
Inner child healing is more about इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग में वूम हीलिंग इंक्लूड होता है, बट वूम हीलिंग करेंगे तो इनर चाइल्ड पूरा हीलिंग होता है, वैसे हम नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि इनर चाइल्ड हमने मदर वुम्ब से लेके 7 ईयर की एज तक फॉर्म किए हुए हैं।
तो ओके, तो
यस, हाँ,
इस कोर्स में इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग है या वोम हीलिंग है?
वुम हीलिंग है।
ओके।
या, आई होप
और
यू आर अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ। या,
ओके, और किसी दिन क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर पाए तो उसका क्या मतलब क्या?
रिकॉर्डिंग आपको कंप्लीटली मिलेगा, और उसके बाद भी आपको कोई भी सवाल है, रिकॉर्डिंग समझो आपने 1-2 दिन बाद भी देखा है और आपको कोई सवाल है, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन आस्क पूजा जी। पूजा जी विल रिवर्ट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल।
ओके,
या, थैंक यू दीपक जी।
लाइव
थैंक यू मैडम।
एक्सेस रहेगा। सो वंस यू आर डूइंग द कोर्स, ये आप हमेशा के लिए कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आपको इस चीज से रिलेटेड, वो हमेशा क्लैरिफाई होंगे। एंड लाइफ टाइम रिकॉर्डिंग्स का भी, जो लाइव सेशंस का रिकॉर्डिंग है, वो भी लाइफ टाइम का एक्सेस रहेगा। थैंक यू
ओके, थैंक
दीपक,
यू।
थैंक यू सो मच। अक्षय जी, यस।
अरे मैम, थैंक्स फॉर द सेशन
नमस्ते।
पूजा मैम। मैम, मेरे को ये पूछना था कि ये जो हीलिंग हम दिस हीलिंग इज मेंट फॉर ओनली द दोज वुमेन प्लानिंग ए बेबी बिफोर कंसीव और व्हाइल कैरिंग, और
No, 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 no. It's not about that, because we learn ना अक्षय जी के हमने जो वुम्ब स्पेस में हमने जो इमोशनल इम्प्रिंटिंग क्रिएट करी हुई है फ्रॉम द ग्रैंड माँ से लेके देन द ओव्यूलेशन के दौरान, देन 9 मंथ्स के दौरान, तो वो हम रिलीज कर रहे हैं उस स्पेस में। दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट कि आपकी स्पेस में जो भी यानी किसी की स्पेस में जो भी इनफर्टिलिटी के रिलेटेड इश्यू है, पीसीओडी के रिलेटेड है, पीसीओएस के रिलेटेड इश्यूज है, वो रिलीज हो जाते हैं।
ओके।
सिम या,
हम्म।
I hope who is sharing whiteboard, Pooja ji just, yeah, thank you so much. So I hope Akshay ji, this is clear to you.
या दैट मीन्स यू मीन टू
हाँ.
से टू एनी अडल्ट वी कैन गिव द हीलिंग?
Yes, any adult, even though 80-90 year age old adult also receive the womb healing so many times. In my womb healing 3 days only, I'm so many times announcing only 3 days healing space, where we are not teaching anything, we are just healing the womb space. In that space, I have some participant who are the 70-80 year old,
ओके, ओके,
and they
गॉट
are
क्लियर।
also receiving a lot of magical
हम्म।
shift in their universe. So this is the magic of womb healing. Yeah.
या थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
Yeah, and after that, you can also be that energy. After this class of 3 days learning and understanding, you can also be that energy of announcing your womb healing circle and womb healing energy. We are into the right now our sixth womb healing circle, where we are announcing. But in that womb healing circle, we are creating a different females version. But you can create again the male version and the both male and female. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Amrita ji. Thank you, Akshay ji. Yeah. Namaste. Namaste, Amrita ji. If you wish to share anything about the meditation, also you can share that.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. Namaskar. The
Uh,
even first time I took this healing, so feeling little relaxed. Maybe I think I have a little pain. I think I have to wait for the yesterday. Sorry, next day tomorrow, right? As you said, कि next day so need
Yes.
release.
Yes.
तो मैम
Yes.
मैं हम जो इस 3 दिन में लर्निंग करेंगे सो इज इट वी आर एबल टू डू मैं अपने ग्रुप में जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अ योगा टीचर तो मैं इस अपने ग्रुप में करवा सकती हूँ इसको
Yes. Yes. Yes.
तो ये लर्निंग भी होगी साथ में आई थिंक टू वी हील आवरसेल्फ आल्सो राइट
Yes, yes, definitely. More, and I always believe more you heal others' womb space, you will also release lot of thing in your space as well as. Okay.
सो
So
मैम
this is a beautiful space, yeah.
पता है आपकी आप अगर यू यू आर अ हीलर सो डेफिनेटली यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मतलब आपने तो काफी सारी चीजें की हुई हैं सो इज इट द 3 days इनफ टू लर्न ऑल द थिंग्स या हम
So
कपेबल
we will more provide you in that 3 days theory base, yeah. But obviously who are with me since long, तो उन लोगों को पता है कि एटलीस्ट मैं 10-15 मिनट्स का मेडिटेशन हमेशा मेरे क्लासेस में करवाती ही हूँ. पर मैंने जैसे बताया 3 दिन मेनली आपके लर्निंग के हैं. तो आपको, आप जैसे योगा टीचर हो तो मुद्रा भी सिखाई जाएगी, जो इस मुद्रा के साथ आप मोर इससे कनेक्ट हो पाओगे. आज मैंने सिर्फ एक सिंगल एसेंस दिया हुआ है क्योंकि हम बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है. और शायद इसके बाद देखो 3 दिन आप कंटिन्यूअसली मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड हो. ओके. और आपको कुछ भी सवाल है आप बाद में भी पूछ सकते हो. तो उसमें हम डीपर वे से कॉम्बिनेशन करते हैं, मुद्रा का, मेडिटेशन का, हीलिंग का. और आपको बहुत सारे ऑडियो भी डीएनए हीलिंग के, फिर मेरे मेडिटेशन के प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. तो उसमें भी जैसे आज के इसमें भी हमने स्मॉल इंटेंशन रखा है कि जितनी बार आप सुनोगे उतनी बार आप उस हीलिंग को रिसीव करोगे. Yeah, so similar way you will get a lot of thing, but definitely I can say in 3 days we are covering more theory, and definitely the half an hour always I have in my space at least 10 to 15 minutes meditation from my side. Yeah.
ओके थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू सो
Yeah.
मच
Thank you so much, dear. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I hope. Yeah, Pooja ji.
Yeah.
Anyone wish to share anything about the meditation, about your feeling, and any discomfort you are facing still right now? Then you can just again raise your hand. Even anyone in chat section, there is no, na? Okay, you already replied. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
So then we will conclude today's session. And I've shared, many are already asking me about the registration details. I've shared all the details of the payment and everything on the group. So as soon as you complete that, we'll be shifting you in the main group. And of course, everyone who's registering today is also entitled to our gift course. And even that is lifetime access and lifetime doubt clearing facility. So with that said, I'm sure, I hope that all of you have utilized the space of today's Purnima energy, and we've healed something. So even if you're not joining, I'll be sharing this recording with everyone. So on all full moon nights, you can just do this, and she's taught one aspect, so at least we can practice that in the course. Of course, lot more details right at the genetic level, DNA level, we are going to do. So yeah, I'll be quickly sharing this recording also with everyone with today's notes. So with that said, I'll conclude the session. Yes. Thank you,
Yes,
everyone.
yes.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you each and every one of you creating this beautiful space and creating this beautiful womb circle and contributing to each other. So keep smiling, keep creating magic in your life and everyone's life. Thank you so much. Yes. Let's see you all.